You've got the charisma, you've got the image. Surely Hollywood is the natural step for you. What did you learn?
Never know, you know. I mean, whatever God's will is, it will be done. I'll follow the God's will.
Okay, we've seen you tonight walk up and down. Everyone asks you the same question. Is there someone in history who you would have liked to have fought that you never got the chance to fight because of age difference, time difference, decades difference?
What is that, the fight?
Who in history would you have liked to have fought? If you could have fought anybody in the world, who would you have liked to have fought?
In the history?
In history.
If it's one fight or
That's I have to think that before I think I need days or months to think about that, because there's a lot of history of boxing to fight for. There's a lot of celebrities. There's a lot of good fighters.
Manny, when you're judging Miss Universe, what is your judging style going to be for that? Like, what are you looking for Miss Universe?
Well, as a judge, we're looking for talent and of course beauty. That's what I'm beauty and talent.
I have a lot of projects. So if they get in a fight, who would you want to win? That's all right. You can go on. Thank you.
Who's gonna win?
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
Looking for who is the best talent and the best beauty.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Manny, kung hindi tuloy si Mayweather, sino kayang gusto mong laban?
Wala pa.
Walang backup plan kay Mayweather.
Wala pa. We'll wait. Hintayin natin yung decision nila.
Bukas, pupunta ka sa England. How excited are you? Baka na-meet mo din si Queen Elizabeth with Princess.
Excited na.
Thank you.
And then, narinig ko yung mga sinabi mo sa New York tungkol sa 2016 election. So, iniisip mo ba, babalik ka ba sa office in 2016? Do you still want to be a congressman?
Of course, I love my position. Kasi gusto ko makatulong sa mga tao. Ang gusto ko, essentially to help them. Talagang walang halong pamulitika o ano man. Basta nasa puso ang pagtulong ko sa kanila. Sa abot ng aking magkaya, even my own money, I expend it. Basta, I will not announce kung ano yung mga tinulong.
Manny, anong gusto mong aral na ibigay nitong pelikula mo sa mga kababayan at sa ibang tao?
Ang aral nito is yung faith sa God, relationship sa Panginoon, at saka yung hard work, discipline. Yun ang kailangan doon, yung maging parehas ka.
And ngayon na nandito sa Hollywood yung pelikula mo, natutuwa ka ba na, tanggap na tanggap ka sa Hollywood?
Masayang-masaya ako dahil sa dami ng sumuporta, hindi lang mga Pilipino, kundi marami mga celebrities Hollywood celebrities na pumunta rito at sumuporta sa movie.
Nai-starstruck ka pa ba na ano ka pa rin ba na pag may nakikita kang Hollywood celebrity o sa'yo baliwala na? May gusto ka pa bang makilala na Hollywood celebrity?
Okay naman. Natural naman.
Wala ka nang gustong inaasam na dream na makatrabaho sa, let's say, sa pelikula?
Wala naman, kahit sino. Basta
Hindi ba pala kinikita ni Liam Neeson, di ba? So pag nakita kayo, anong gusto mo sabihin sa kanya?
Pasalamat tayo dahil isa siya sa tumulong sa documentary movie natin.
Oo nga, and fan ka ba niya? Fan ka ba ni Liam?
Nanonood ako. Actually, napanood ko, bago ko lang napanood yung
Taken. Oh. That's awesome. Well, thank you so much. So great to see you again.
Many.